Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel how to share screen on Zoom. So let's start the video. First of all, open up your Zoom application. You have to start a meeting, tap on start a meeting and your meeting will be started. Set the camera according to your preference and start the meeting. After starting the meeting, you have to tap on join. It will show you an interface like this, and in this interface you'll find all these options in the bottom of your screen, and in the bottom of your screen you have to swipe right, find share option. Just scroll down and you'll find the option of screen, tap on it and then start recording. So you have to allow Zoom to start recording. So in terms to do that, you have to open up your settings, scroll down and find Zoom. After finding Zoom, you have to allow it, and after allowing the Zoom, just come back and your Zoom app will start sharing the screen to the audience. This is how you can share screen on your Zoom. I hope you liked the video and thank you so much for watching the video. By following these steps, you can share your screen on the Zoom. Thank you for watching it.